Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unhide profile picture on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide profile picture on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon. Tap on that and a drop down menu will appear where you can see the settings option just below the stored messages. Tap on settings, and over here you'll be required to tap on privacy, which is just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here you can see the second option where it says the profile photo. Tap on that, and in order to hide your profile photo it must be on nobody. Now in order to unhide your profile picture, if you want to show your profile picture to everybody, then tap on everyone. But if you want to just show it to your contacts on your phone, tap on my contacts. Then this way your profile picture will be unhidden. And there, guys, this is how to unhide profile picture on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.